Masaco de Yuca. Yucca casserole. A side dish from Bolivia. Serves 4. You will need 3 ingredients. Step 1. Cook the peeled yuccas in boiling water until they are soft. Step 2. Remove the yuccas from the water and grind them, similar to mashing potatoes. Step 3. Cut the bacon into little pieces and fry them. Add them to the mashed yuccas and mix them well. Step 4. Place this casserole in an oven-proof dish and heat it in an oven. Step 5. Serve. This makes a yummy side dish for any Bolivian barbecue. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.